Okay guys, I'm so sorry it cut off. So we're just gonna bring these boxes with these small ones. Now we're gonna bring all these. This is heavy, so I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay everyone, we're back. So now while I was getting them, I put them all on the ground. So now we're gonna separate the ones. So now first I'm gonna flip the camera. Okay, never mind. I don't know how to flip the camera. So we're just gonna do this. Guys, I don't know if the pineapple squishy should count as a big squishy or a medium squishy. What do you guys think? It's kind of like this. The cheese is bigger than it. I don't really know. So I don't know where to put it. We're just gonna leave it there. I'll just put it in the big one, but we're first doing the small ones. The kitty cat. Dumpling and fuzzball. And the cube. Globby. Nito. Glow in the dark. Small ball, we need to find the rest of him. The Mellow Mallow. Baby Squish. More of these things. Another dumpling. Gumdrop. Like this on that side. Then the dumpling. I think this is the last one, but it's cased. Yeah, I think this is the last one. So now we can put the jumbos. First, I put the carrots. Now we're gonna put the butters. Is it just me, or like every time I clean my butter, it looks so brand new? It looks so clean and beautiful. Yeah. Fit. I think I need a bigger box. Oh, I forgot about these. Ew, something already stuck onto this. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna put like all the circle stuff. I usually put all the flat stuff on the bottom, and then I put the circle stuff at the end, or like a duck shaped. Duck is a pancake. Oh. And the last two, and they're done. Okay, we officially finished. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.